how they hand us doing things they said I wouldn't do. And they get jealous when the whole city looks up to you. I'm up against the world no matter what happens next. I'm steady chasing my dreams while they just talking it. Caring less about my actions to enjoy the ride. Living life like I've got more than time. Something came from nothing, nobody wants us to win. And that's what kept me pushing when I wanted this to end. I put in the time, staying up while they slept. Always had determination to get it till nothing's left. On the verge of success, I'm still holding on. These memories can fade, but are really never gone. Nothing worth achieving never happened overnight. That's why I've been upright in the past 2 years of my life. Dues are getting paid, I am everything you made. The only time you'll find me sleeping is when I'm in my grave like tomorrow's never granted, so let's live it up. I've wasted too many hours caring what people say. They can hate us anyway, had no chance, I made a way. Gaining ground ahead of you, about to make that breakaway. When they try to slow us down, it's when I push my limits. I know I'm set aside from all of these other gimmicks. They tell you chase a dream, till you actually go and do it. And then they turn around and tell you your dream is stupid. I'm so done with people like that. We need more people like this, that work until what they want is what they actually get. Life's a journey, I've been down for the trip, finally getting the grip. But my heart's on my sleeve, so I'm as real as it gets. Life is good in the skies, so all I'm seeing is highs. And I know that I'll make it, I got the will to survive. We're the ones that took a risk, we're the ones that took a chance. So everybody is wishing they could do it how we did.